Yung bulaklak namin, good morning. Bulaklak namin sa garden, ang cute. Oh, itong dalawa na naman. Ay, yung ginawa ko. Baliktad naman. Oh. Hello. Anong kinakain mo? Hmm? Anong kinakain mo na naman? Ni, sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magkakalat.
Michael, get under the table.
Hmm.
Mike, get under the table.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Sige, kung ano na Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't nagtatago ka? Si Michael ang nakadi-4. Wow, gwapo pogi. parang, parang, parang dun si Michael dun. Wow, pogi. Hello, nag-ano kami ni Ella, nag-arrange kami ng flower. Si Ella nag-arrange nito. Tapos, say hi to the video, Ella.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm just gonna do some papers.
She's doing the... move ko konti.
Mama,
She's making a flower. Naubusan kasi kami ng ng flower pot.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making my own one.
Yeah.
The little ones. Give me them.
Marami pa kasi binigay 70%. So, in-accept ko na lang.
Right here.
Saan tayo kukuha pa ng ng
Right here.
may mga roses pa. Ayan, ang dami. So, kaya ang gagawin namin ni Ella is,
There you go.
there you go. Ooh, that's cute, Ella. Put a little bit more water. You need a bigger water because the water is not fit on the bottom. Wait, we need a little bit. Sorry, hold it. And then I put a little bit more water, I think. And then try to put it until inside of the water.
Yeah.
Si Ella nag-ayos. Ako, itong ina-ice ko. Busy kami sa...
No. I know.
Ooh,
The roses.
maganda. Busy kami sa pag-arrange. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ano tayo ng Dapat, sabi na kailangan ko talaga ng another. It's cute. Look, Ella, so cute. Another one. Maybe I'll just get the white one. Kasi, yung white is pang matagalan to eh. Kaso nga lang, wala ng space.
I think it's done, Mom.
Ah,
Done.
it's done. Shoot to the video what you made. What do you think? Ooh. I want another one of the bass. I thought I have more bass. But put this in the... Maghahanap pa ako ng paglalagyanan. Kala ko meron. Wait, I need to...
Where you can be. You can be right over here.
Which one?
Be like, yeah, I'm gonna put them on this.
I have more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
No.
trying to put it over there.
You can show like this, yeah.
Mom, I
You want to put somewhere in here on the top.
yeah, yes. I wanted to put it
Pakita
there.
namin sa inyo.
Come on, that
Tada! Ang ganda. Put it there. Ayun. Ito yung in-arrange naming mga bulaklak. Andun pa yung isa. Yung asawa ko busy sa garden. Nag-aano siya. So, yan lang. Nag-aayos yung asawa ko dun. Kasi bukas may bisita kami. Nag-ano siya ng gazebo. Tapos, ang daming kalat dito kasi binigyan kami ng mga damit. Ng mga pambata. Kaso yung iba malilit na kay Ella. Yun, ina-assorted namin ni Ella. Ito naman excited. Ang bilis niya. Ngayon naayusin namin. Ako naman kumakain. Tapos, yung 2 to 3 years old, ipapibigay ko sa kung sino pwedeng magkasya kasi hindi kasya kay Ella. So, yan. Ang cute pero. Ang cute nitong bag na to. Yan. So, ang dami ko isos. Tapon ako ng mga gamit nila ngayon. Nagtangbak na naman. Ayan. Pero mag ano ng mga damit, ang dami na. Sobrang dami na ng mga damit at ni Ella, kaya ayaw ko masyadong nagtatambak na. Tapos yung asawa ko, ang cute nito oh. Hello! Yun yung asawa ko nag-aayos.
Now I need a comb.
Sobrang sipag ng asawa ko. You okay, honey? Yeah. Bukas kasi mag-ano kami, tawag dito, mag-small mini party. Tingnan ko ngayon dalawa. Kasi tulog. Tulog ba sila? Oh, tulog si Ella. Dito. Grabe na ulan. Ayun. Muulan. May party pa man din kami today. Mulan naman. Kape tayo. Tapos may donut ako dun. Tulog pa sila. Except, nakahiga lang. Tignan niyo yung bulaklak doon sa labas. Yung flower. Pero, yung ginawa kong ang tahimik niya. Tulog pa rin si Ella. Anong oras na? Wala, 9:30 na. Ella still asleep, Michael. Oh, I don't know. Grabe yung ulan. Magbabarbecue pa man din kami. First time namin mag-barbecue, ulan.
Mommy, you build your path.
Mag-ready tayo ng plate.
Well, no.
Kasi kami, barbecue pero naulan.
Mom,
Ah,
why you not this?
I don't have a number now. Oh, just turn it on that Peppa Pig, Ella.
What's the control?
Tayo, table sitting.
Mommy,
Getting ready tayo, guys. Ako ng pipino. Kasi gagawa ko ng sausawan. Ayan. Kasi magbabarbecue nga kami. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo yung setting up ko sa aking table. In a minute, in a middle moment. Pump me up. Ganon. Pump me up. What's that? Okay.
can I try to cut the cucumbers?
Yeah, of course. Where's the small table? Do you know?
Like that check.
Yeah.
When you put that up,
Yeah. You want to cut? Then cut. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung aking table sitting. Gusto ko kasi mag table sitting. Oh, 'di ba? Ang cute. Feeling lang. 'Di ba? Basta meron lang akong mga bulaklak. Tadon! Tapos i-ready ko yung pang mamaya sa labas. Busy siya mag-cut. Na.
Mom, I'm cutting them too big.
Oh, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng aking table sitting.
Can I kiss you?
My beautiful daughter. Maganda kong anak. Kunin mo yung anak mo. Si Titi.
Teddy.
Si Titi. Right. Don't go, Ella. Ella. So don't go yet. No, Ella. Hello. Guys, it will stop now.
Green lights.
Wait for me. Dito na kami sa simbahan. Ella, masarap? Kain kayo. Mag-breakfast sila. Masarap, Ella.
Relationships change. Tragedy strikes. Dreams and desires shift. We might start out with some kind of life plan, but things very rarely turn out how we expect them to. And in the end, we can end up wondering, does God know? Why did this happen?
Cheese! Ang ganda. Andali ata, video natin. Bye! Okay. Ha? You want me to hold you? Nandun na sila.
What's inside?
Oh.
Can't see.
Yeah, you can see because it's gone already. Messi, you feel again? Still, you still feel it?
Over here.
Oh wait. How can I see? It's okay. No, it's okay. Okay.
We can do a right.
Honey, I want to go to this one.
Yeah, I know. We go
Look, Mom.
So you will walk far away. Gusto ko dito sa may kanal.
Mom, look at this, Mom. Look.
This way. I didn't saw that. I thought you were going too far away. Go, Ella. Kami ko sa... Pauwi na kami, maglalakad kami 1 oras. Puro lakad na lang. Sandali yung mata ko.
You know how
Be careful, it's wet. Dito, Ella, dito.
go get in the phone.
Ella. Doon. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, oh.
Okay.
Kasi basa dyan. Good. Why? You can go first. This is not competition. Did you know that you can eat this?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, this is good.
I've got something you can eat, Annie.
What? Naglalakad kami dito. Ano?
Wait for me.
What is this? Ano kaya to? You okay, Michael?
This is where the playground.
Oh.
You're going to the playground.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the garage. Right, is garage. Yeah. Pauwi na kami, maglakad kami, galing kami ng church. Kaysa magpamasahe kami 6 pounds. Masyado kaming nagtitipid kasi mahirap lang po kami dito sa bansang ito.
With the waffle.
Pero ang kinis na mukha ko, fairness. Hello.
You want some with the waffle, Mom?
No, you can have it.
Okay.
Ay, sarap? Sobra. Ano?
I'll take.
We'll take the 5-ball goal.
I'll take.
Lay pa nalala. Pero ang ganda dito. Gustong gusto ko to. Para siyang overlooking pond. Halit lang pala yung garden niya. Pero maganda naman siya kasi para siyang overlooking. Tapos meron yung Michael!
Enough that.
Ooh. Pedestrians have priority. Nasaan na si Michael?
Canoe.
Oh, be careful.
Canoe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Piling ka naman.
There's Langman's Lane. We got Langman's Road. There's Langman's Lane, and then there's the Langman's house from 1640.
Canoe.
Yeah, look, the canoe.
Mom.
The clean in here is so
With
nice.
a canoe
Ay,
shop.
yung
In a
boats.
canoe shop.
Boat. Ayan, line ang nilalakad namin. Kasi ang pamasahe 6 pounds. Yeah, open. Yeah. Pamasahe 6 pounds. Eh, kung pabalikan kami 12 pounds, so pumunta na kami 6 pounds. Kaya maglakad na lang kami, hindi naman kami nagmamadali. Pero 30 to 40 minutes naman yung lakad. Yan siya. Exercise na din. Naglalakad pa rin kami.
Mom.
Come on. Michael. Look, she can carry you easily. Look, my God. Ang bilis kaya. Ikaw na Let's go. Elas is so strong. Kung saan sa pumupunta si Michael. You need a camouflage with that, Michael, like green one.